If you picked up our Golden Turmeric Tahini sauce at the grocery store and you're looking for a little inspiration, look no further. Hi, I'm Allie, founder of Haven's Kitchen. Let's get right into the 5 recipes we're going to be talking about today. First, we have our easy golden rice pilaf. Second is my favorite, our deconstructed falafel salad. Third, we have our buttery golden flounder. Fourth is our braised cabbage and chickpea stew. And lastly, we have our keto lamb kofta. Before we get into the recipes, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Let's talk about our easy golden rice pilaf. What I love about this recipe is that basically the way that rice cooks is it absorbs the liquid, right, that you're cooking it in. We add the tahini at the beginning. So while the rice is absorbing all of that, liquid, it's also absorbing all of the delicious flavors of the tahini. So there's a little sumac in there and a little cumin in there and just all of these yummy flavors that give it not only this delicious deep flavor, but also this beautiful golden hue. Then we mix it with quick pickled raisins, which are a little tart and a little sweet, some chopped nuts, and a little bit of fresh mint on top. And it's that easy, it's done. You can serve this rice pilaf as the main dish. It's so beautiful, it looks gorgeous just like on a platter by itself, and you get a little bit of protein from those nuts. Or of course, it's delicious next to roast chicken or lamb chops or anything that you want to make feel a little bit special. Next up, let's talk about our deconstructed falafel salad. I remember when this recipe kind of came to me in a vision because I really, really love falafel, but it takes a long time to make and it's a little bit, of a project. So this I wanted to do, how do I get those crispy chickpeas with the pita and all of that delicious sort of salady, creamy sort of all the things that go into what a really good falafel sandwich is, and make it into a healthy, easy salad. And the tahini gets us there pretty quickly. So basically we're crisping up chickpeas, we're tossing them while they're warm with our golden tahini, which gives them this extra flavor, but also sort of this creaminess. I'm actually salivating talking about it. I really love this salad. And then just chopped lettuce, some crunchy pita chips, and you can kind of play with it depending on what you like in your falafel. The next recipe we're going to talk about is our buttery golden flounder. This is not a 15-minute recipe or a 10-minute recipe. It's literally a 5-minute recipe. And basically all you're doing is getting really nice flounder, quickly seared, which takes about 3 minutes in a nice butter. And then we're just laying it on a platter of our golden tahini. To add a little bit of complexity and a little bit of pop, we're doing some quick pickled onions and maybe some currants, but it's a super easy recipe. It makes you feel kind of fancy, but it's also 5 ingredients and about, 5 to 10 minutes of work. Our next recipe is our braised cabbage and chickpea stew. This is one of those amazing fall recipes. I don't know about you, if you have not braised cabbage, I think you might be missing out on one of the true joys of life. And the thing that we do with this is we sear the cabbage first just to get it a little crispy, and then we kind of just soak it up. We braise it in this broth of coconut milk and our tahini. So the tahini really just imbues the cabbage with all of these delicious flavors. We add a little bit of chickpea to it to create some heft and a little protein. This is a high protein, high fiber, really, really healthy, hearty meal for pretty much any time of year, but I really, really like it in the fall when I need something quick, healthy, delicious, and kind of warming. Great recipe for you to try. The last recipe we're going to talk about is the keto lamb kofta. This is just a winner keto dinner as far as I'm concerned. You're basically making these kofta, or patties or meatballs essentially of lamb, and they're going to be held together and also deeply seasoned by the tahini. So the tahini is acting as a binder, but it's also acting to flavor that lamb from the inside out. Then you're making a tzatziki with a little yogurt and some cucumber and again some of the golden tahini to drizzle on top. So the tahini's in it and it's on it and it makes the whole thing amazing. There's nothing we love more at Haven's Kitchen than reading your comments, especially when they're nice, about which recipes you like the most, which substitutions you made, how you use the sauce, so please definitely comment below. If you're looking for our sauces, you can find them online and certainly buy them directly from us. But on our website, we also have a store locator where all you need to do is type in your zip code and find us in a store near you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future cooking or tips and tricks video. All the best and cook happy.